Welcome, welcome to Learning with Teacher Kai. Here I am again at your service. I hope we could have fun learning together about phonics. So for today, we're going to do some practice of two vowel sounds that are sometimes hard to separate from each other. Let's try to distinguish these two sounds. The long E sound, which is sounded as E, like in sheep, and the short I sound, which is sounded as I, like in ship. Vowel combinations such as double E, EA, E consonant E usually give us the long E sound. However, there are also some exceptions to this rule. Now let's begin our practice. Our first word is beat. Beat. Beat is good for our health. Beat. Bit. Bit. Ouch! The mosquito bit me. Bit. Seat. Seat. This seat is uncomfortable. Seat. We have sit. Sit. She sits on her orange seat. Sit. Meat. Meat. Oh, I'm not a big meat eater. Meat. Mitt. Mitt. This mitt is big for me. Mitt. Feet. Feet. My feet are tired. Let me elevate them. Feet. Fit. Fit. I go to the gym to make myself fit. Fit. Peach. Peach. This peach is sweet. Pitch. Pitch. Whoa, that was a great pitch. Heel. Heel. Ouch, I hurt my right heel. Heel. Hill. Hill. Let's go up the Lincoln Hill. Hill. Bean. Can you plant this bean for me? Bean. Bin. Bin. Please make sure to put your recyclables in the recycling bin. Bin. Teen. Teen. I love being a teen. Tin. Please throw away the tin. Tin. Sheep. Sheep. Let's count our blessings instead of sheep. Sheep. Ship. I'd like to travel on a ship. Seek. Seek. Let's play hide and seek. Seek. Sick. Sick. I was so sick yesterday that I had to take a day off. Sick. Remember when we encountered the following vowel combinations: double E, EA, E consonant E. They usually give us the long E sound. So for our homework, you are to record yourself reading these words aloud. Send us either a video or an audio of your recording for a chance to win 1,000 pesos. So we shall be picking 2 winners who will send us their recording and they'll win 1,000 pesos each. Again, join me weekly as we build the world one word at a time. Please don't forget, click follow, share, and send your answers not later than March 19th, 8 p.m. Maryland time for a chance to win in our weekly raffle draw. Thank you so much, and God bless us all. Bye-bye.